A lot of us have workplace stress. In fact, the American Institute of Stress, there is such a thing, says 83% of American workers suffer from work-related tension. That can contribute to hypertension or other diseases, diabetes. Dr. Holly MacKenna, an integrative psychiatrist with Darrow Wellness, joins us to talk about what are called adaptogens that can help your mind and body with stress. Good morning.
Good morning.
What in the world is an adaptogen?
So adaptogens are parts of plants, mushrooms, herbs that are used to reduce stress, to balance the body. Folks may have heard of things like ginseng or ashwagandha, maca. These are all things that are very in vogue to talk about. You hear about them on TikTok and social media, but oftentimes folks have no idea what they are, but they're trying to take them.
Because TikTok sounds like a really good place to go to for your health advice.
Hey, a lot of doctors are on TikTok because we want to educate the public, so I'm not going to say anything negative about it.
You know, our bodies, nature gave our bodies, stress for a reason and a reaction to it and how, that sort of thing. Is this level of stress natural though?
So,
if you're stressed out at work constantly, if you're worried about the bills, if the schedule's crazy. Exactly.
So there's the kind of regular stress response that a lot of us kind of think of as fight or flight. And that's really just our body preparing for a change. So your heart rate goes up, your blood pressure goes up, sugar is freed up in your blood to feed your muscles so that you can respond to whatever challenge is in front of you. But if you have chronic stress, those things go into overdrive, and that can actually contribute to things like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease. So that's where things like adaptogens can come into play.
And so how would you suggest using them? What do you do?
Well, it depends on the type of plant that you're looking at. And so if you're thinking about using an adaptogen, the best thing to do is to discuss it with your doctor. Really, you want to try to seek people out that maybe are trained in integrative medicine or in herbal medicine. But if you're on medications already, your doctor can look at those and make sure things aren't going to cross-react, because unfortunately everything can.
And then some of these things occur in nature, so they don't seem terribly harmful.
No, but one of the characteristics of adaptogens is that it's non-toxic. But again, things can interact, so you have to be careful. But they are used in older systems of medicine, such as traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurveda. They're used as parts of systems of care. So rather than take a pill and call me in the morning, it's use an adaptogen, adjust your diet, do things such as engaging in exercise, engaging in a prayer practice or mindfulness practice. All of these things help decrease your stress, and adaptogens are just one part of that big picture that can help improve your health.
Reinforce the stuff with your doctor. All right.
Absolutely.
Dr. Holly MacKenna, thanks.
Absolutely.